Welcome to our presentation today. My name is Jose Villalobos with V&A, and with me today is Matt Snow, one of our corrosion engineers that is very actively involved in engineering projects throughout the country. And what we're going to do today is we're going to talk about corrosion engineering and how corrosion is a measurable phenomena. It occurs in nature, and it unfortunately costs the country billions of dollars in lost equipment that fails due to perforations caused by corrosion. So what we're going to do today is say, how can we better utilize our resources and get more use out of them? And as Peter Drucker has said, if you can measure it, it can be managed. And that's really what this presentation is really going to focus on, is how can we measure corrosion and how can we use this as a tool to help us get better utilization of our infrastructure. So many of you are familiar with a battery, and this happens to be a 1.5 volt battery. We are going to use this as an example of, if we can measure 1.5 volts in this battery, we're going to measure similar voltages with materials of construction that we commonly find in water and wastewater infrastructure. So without further ado, let's get into this presentation so we can show you how this works. Okay, so let's get into it. What we're going to do now is we're going to measure the voltage of this battery. So Matt, if you'd be kind enough to hold that for us. And we have a voltmeter right here, and we're going to now connect to the battery, and as you can see, we have 1.55 volts. Again, verifying that we have voltage in this battery, it's good. And the fact that we can measure this voltage is going to then help us in the next part of the demonstration. So let's get on to the next phase of it.